So here's how to create the best prompts for Invideo AI. Click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. First of all, open up your browser and then go to the website of Invideo, which is invideo.io, or just click on the link in the description. After that, you need to click on Create AI Video on the top left. So this is where you put in the prompts or titles of the video that you want to create. You can easily type in whatever that you want and try to create a video. But keep in mind that the quality of the prompts will be reflected on your video. So make sure that you put in a detailed prompt to start with. You need to try and put in as much detail as possible. Because if you just put in one line and no specific instructions, the video will turn out to be simple and bland. And as you can see here, I'm writing a prompt to create a video on the 5 most beautiful flowers on the planet. Make sure to specify exactly what you want. And then, I will ask it to make it 2 minutes long for YouTube. Make sure to specify the length of the video as well. That way, Invideo will not create a video that is too short or too long for your purpose. It's also a good practice to specify the platform you will be using the video for. After that, make sure to mention the tone of voice and accent that you prefer. Your tone of voice could be casual, formal, educational, or whatever that you want. And in this case, I'm going for the American accent. And just for a side touch, I'm asking it to not include leaves. So this way, once you're done putting in your prompt, click on Generate a Video. Now all you need to do is wait for Invideo to generate your specified video. On the next part, you'll be given some options to customize your video. You can select the audience, look and feel, and platform, and then click on Continue. Now the process of generating your actual video will start. So once the video generation is complete, you will get a top-notch video based on your prompt. And as you can see, we have our video ready. So that is how to create the best prompts in Invideo AI. Don't forget to click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.